first stop is looking at these bison. Hopefully I can still find them. They were here earlier. I have to admit, I do get anxiety when I leave the van because, what is that? Oh my gosh, they're right there. They're right there. Oh my god. How are they just... This is just a wire fence. I don't understand. How is that keeping them in? That's scary and concerning. Buffalo Range, do not enter. No. Nigel is really scared. Wild. Okay, let's keep going. I have officially strapped Nigel to my waist because he keeps tugging on me, trying to get away from all the bison. It is so beautiful here. I'm very sad because now it's raining. And is it supposed to keep raining? It doesn't say so. I really wanted to keep hiking. I'll just hide my electronics under my shirt. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Look, it stopped. It literally just stopped. Oh, that's very dark. The walk continues. Okay, we're on the way back. I think Nigel is tired. Are you tired, Nige? Ollivander is in sight. Oh. Okay, well, it is hot in here. Feels so much better. Go. No, it won't fall out anymore. Now the question is, what do we do? Oh, I need to cut your nails. I'm gonna do that right now. I just called this place called Otherlands Coffee Bar, and I called them. It says on Google that they're pet friendly. I looked up pet friendly places and I called them, and he said that they have an outdoor patio that's shaded and they have Wi-Fi and Nigel can sit out there with me. So that's where we're going. Dude, Memphis is awesome so far. I am super digging Memphis. Okay, see you there.
Waste of our time out where the stars forget to shine. Cityscapes askew, stuck inside at noon, out where the stars forget to shine. How far you'd fall were you to call? Oh,
working there? You do? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bye. Sweet. Okay, Bass Pro. That's where we're going tonight. Nigel, we're going to Bass Pro tonight. It said online that they have overnight security in their parking lot. So that is great. And so now I'm going to go to Walmart. I've been sitting here for literally 4 hours. I'm gonna go to Walmart and get something that I need for my laptop and see if I can get a single burner stove. Actually, I'm gonna mess with my stove and make sure that it doesn't work. I really want it to work because it's a 2-burner stove, but if it really doesn't, then I'm gonna go to Walmart and get another one because the one that I have, put this down, so. The one that I have is like tall, it sits tall, and it's kind of dangerous when I'm cooking stuff because it's like makes it easy to tip over. I'm still going to keep that because it's also like a heater for everyday cooking. I want something that is thin and like stout. Is that the right word? Short. So that is my plan. This coffee shop closed and I still have my dishes out here, which is not good. Maybe I'll hit another place somewhere tonight, like for dinner. I don't know. We'll see. So I just called Walmart customer service and asked them if I could bring Nigel in with me because it's just too hot in the car. And they were like, yeah, if you put him in a cart, it should be fine. So we're gonna try that. We have made it to another park and I am thoroughly exhausted, like genuinely thoroughly exhausted. I just left a Walmart and got a new stove because the one that my dad gave me to use doesn't work, unfortunately. Matchless. Dang. That sucks.
Everybody's walking toward the dead road on a place in a foreign world. Tidal waves and broken like a starlet. I am drawn, but I'm made for her. I was made to fall in love with you. I was made to fall in love with you. Sticking to the roads that we had left here. Summer eyes have left this place, and everything I want to give you has been broken on your face. I was made to fall in love with you. I was made to fall in love with you.
That was traumatizing.
Remote was like trying to get away from the